The ticket counter display lets you display new and ongoing repair tickets on a large TV in your customer's waiting area or behind your store counter. Some repair shop owners use it in the technician area to display which tickets technicians should work on first. In this video, we'll briefly explain how to set up the ticket counter display in RepairDesk. To do so, go to the integration screen via the 9-dot menu, search for the ticket counter display, and click Connect. Then, press Enable Ticket Counter to access the setting. Let's move on to configuration options. Statuses. Select which repair statuses should show on the display. Column visibility. Choose visible columns such as ticket ID, customer first and last name, device issue, assigned technician, and status. Auto refresh rate. Set how often the data refreshes to keep information up to date. Ticket display range. Displays tickets from today, the last 3 days, the previous 7 days, or all available tickets. Custom images or video. Turn the toggle to upload and display your store promotions. Pro tip: boost revenue with RepairDesk's Rush Job feature. Highlight expedited repair services by adding a promotional banner that offers a skip the queue option for a fee. This appeals to customers who are in a hurry and encourages them to choose faster service, helping you generate additional income while meeting urgent customer needs. Click the link in the description below for more information on how to use RepairDesk's Rush Job feature. Hide status header. Optionally remove the ticket count header from the display. Once the configurations are done, you can copy the URL and place it in the browser. You can also use a PC, Chromecast, or Android box to mirror your display onto a large TV display. You can also embed the iframe code into your website, giving your client yet another form of communication during the repair. Once you set it up, here's what it will look like. Please note, each line item displays as a separate repair job, since each progresses at its own rate. That's the basics of setting up your ticket counter display. We hope your team and customers like this, as it will increase your prominence and make you look more professional. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!